The rain set early into night. The sullen wind began to rise. It tore the elm tops down in spite and vexed the lake beneath the sky's eye. Listened with a breaking heart till Porphyria came to play her part. She shut the storm out, lit the flame, made the cottage warm again. Her golden hair fell loose and free. She whispered soft her love for me. Oh, Porphyria, in the night you brought me peace, you brought me life. She laid her gloves and cloak aside, her shoulder bare. She drew me near, her voice was low, her eyes were wide. She murmured, love I long to hear. Yet pride and ties still held her fast, a fleeting joy too sweet to last. He shut the storm out, lit the flame. Cry, but here together, you and I, the world outside can break and bend, our love endures. It will not